I think it's good. Hey. So, I think it's a bit loud. Well, I think it's a bit loud because it's completely on in my earphones. Right? Right. So hi. Since you're stuck home, all of us, and you should be home, I decided I will just go back to the game that made me love Pokemon. So let's go back to Emerald, and maybe it's gonna help us until we can leave the house. So I'm still gonna lower the volume because it's so annoying in my ear. Yes, that's my first time live streaming, so I have no clue what I'm doing right now. So please bear with me, and yeah, it's gonna be fine. So let's go on an adventure, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna skip through that. Also, I didn't know if I should do it in like French, Creole, or English, but since people seem to hate it when I speak English, or French even, but like they hate it the most when I speak English, let's try English. Yeah, we all know that, but it sucked that like you couldn't skip that because like you've played the game like 20 times. Are you a boy or a girl? I don't get it why people like to like play view the gender at times. I mean, I'm for transgender rights, but I don't get it. I just don't get it, I guess. But it's fine. I don't have to get it. I'll go as a boy though. What will be my name? Ads. I don't know why, but this simulator is running like kinda slow, which is weird because my PC ain't that bad. Wait, let me try and do something. Yeah, it's really fun watching the Indian looking guy do some IT stuff. Yes, it's ads. That's one thing that sucked in that game is what it was what you can't name your rival. But it's not that big of a rival anyway, it was pretty lame. But when you were like, how old was I? It was 2004, I was 9. So when you're 9, you're still crushing on that girl and you're just like, oh, she's my rival partner kind of thingy. So why won't my NVIDIA control panel open? Oh wait, that's the one. Take courage and leap into the world of Pokémon, where dreams, adventure, and friendships await. Well, I'll be expecting you later. Come see me in my Pokemon lab. Thanks, Professor Birch. Birch? Yes, Birch. Pokemon Emerald is the best Pokemon game. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Well, the thing is, the first Pokemon game you're gonna play is gonna be your favorite Pokemon game, right? But Pokemon Emerald was still the best. Okay, I don't think you see the NVIDIA control panel. Let's go out. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I have a mom. I mean, I do, I still do. Ads, we're here, honey. It must be tiring riding with our things in a moving truck. Well, this is Little Root Town. How do you like it? This is our new home. It has a quaint feel, but it seems to be an easy place to live. Don't you think? You can get your own room, Ads. Let's go inside. I love the sound of the doors opening there. Give me a second. I'm gonna I'm just doing some IT stuff. That's not IT stuff. I should stop saying that because it's not that hard to do. I'm just setting my graphics card to control that emulator. Because I guess the performance is good, but the sound is like really out of sync. No sound from the. Oh, I'm getting the chat now. Made some loud volume. Well, why would I put the sound? Okay, let me. Oh yeah, we're getting the sound up. Oh. Okay, I guess my voice. No, my voice should be fine, cause I'm seeing it on the thing here, but my voice should be fine. Okay, for now, the sound will be a bit out of sync from the game, because I think it's running a bit like slow, but I'm gonna check that afterwards. I'm gonna see. Let's play for now. The movers, Pokemon, do all the work of moving us in and cleaning up after. This is so convenient. Ads, your room is upstairs. Go check it out, dear. Dad bought a new clock to mark our move here. Don't forget to set it. Okay. It is 36 past 8. So yeah, if you just joined, just so you know, I'm only speaking English in here because I know people hate it when I do, and since people hate it when I do, I'm gonna fucking do it. Okay? Oh, I said the bad word. Fuck. The clock is stopped. Better set it and start it. It is. My god. Do I have to? Oh my god. Well, I'm dumb because I should have done it like anti-clockwise so it would be faster to get. Yeah, I'm pretty dumb. 6, 7, 8, 37 around here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think. I guess. Oh, my mom came looking for me. How do you like your new room? I'm gonna have to try and act surprised when I know everything from this game. And I say everything. How do you like your new room? Good, everything's put away neatly. Finish moving everything in downstairs too. Pokemon movers are so convenient. Or you should make sure that everything's all there on your desk. I just want you to check that so you can see that there's a PC. I booted up the PC. What would you like to do? Nothing, because I don't have Pokemon, I don't have anything right now. Oh, check this, which is ads flipped open the notebook. It gives me like 3 tips. Adventure rule number 1, open the menu. Number 2, record your progress. Not even 3, like 2. And they have a freaking GameCube. I wanted that so bad when I was a kid, and then I realized that why? Then I got a PS2 and then I shut up. Let's go downstairs. Let me check again if I can. Okay, let me try and set this program to. Why doesn't it show the list? Pretty weird. I think I should add it. I guess I'm gonna have to add it. Emerald also has the best music. You can't tell me otherwise. So, I guess we're gonna go with Torchic. Go ads, quickly. No, come, quick, come quick. Mom, look, it's Petalburg's gym. Maybe Dad will be on. Interviewer, we brought you this report from in front of Petalburg gym. Mom, oh, it's over. I think Dad was on, but we missed him. Too bad. Oh yes, one of Dad's friends lives in town. Prof. Birch is his name. B.H. Birch, I don't know. He lives right next door, so you should go and introduce yourself. Okay, we'll do that, Mom. Excusez-moi. Why did I just stick to Creo? I shouldn't. So people will keep hating. Oh, my neighbor's mom just realized I came into her house. Oh, hello. And you are? Oh, your ads. Oh, new next door neighbor. Hi. We have a daughter about the same age as you. Our daughter was excited about making a new friend. Our daughter is upstairs, I think. I forgot I should do the voice, right? And now you get the best theme of the whole game. May's theme is the best. Ah, don't get it here. Yes, you get it. Huh? Who are you? I don't know, I'm just a kid who entered your room without your permission or your acknowledgement. Your mom just let me in, I don't know. Oh, your ads. So your move was today. I'm May. Glad to meet you. I have this dream of becoming friends with Pokemon all over the world. I heard about you ads from my dad, Prof. Birch. Call your dad Prof? Professor. I was hoping that you would be nice. Okay. Ads, and that we could be friends. Oh, this is silly, isn't it? I just met you, Ads. Qu'est-ce qui nous arrive? Oh no, I forgot. I was supposed to go help Dad catch some wild Pokemon. Ads, I'll catch you later. And she goes and helps her dad catch wild Pokemon at her desk. Millennials. Let me try and see again if I can just... add the simulator to NVIDIA list of stuff it should, which MGB. Okay. Put it. Oh, yeah. I need more than 1 minute now. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Okay, I'll keep on playing meanwhile. Hi. There are scary Pokemon outside. I can hear the cries. I want to go see what's going on, but I don't have any Pokemon. Can you go see what's happening for me? I guess. Help me! Worst voice I ever did. Hello, you over there. Please help. In my bag, there's a Pokeball. No, it's free. Yes, I'm not even gonna look at the others. We're going torch it. We always go torch it. Wild Six are giving beer. Go torch it. It's a level 2. I'm just gonna like scratch it to death. Growl me to death, I guess. Growl at me to death, I guess. Thought you gained 17 XP. Phew! I was in the tour gross studying wild Pokemon when I was jumped. You saved me. Thanks a lot. Oh, hi, you're Ads. This is another place to chat. So come by my Pokemon lab later, okay? By later, I mean you're gonna teleport us both there. From Birch. So, Ads, I've heard so much about you from your father. I heard that you don't have your own Pokemon yet. Virgin. And the way you battled earlier, you pulled it off with a plump. A plump? I don't know how you say that in English. I guess you have your father's blood in your veins after all. Yes, that's how it works. Genetics, you're a professor. Oh yes, thanks for rescuing me. I'd like you to have the Pokemon you used earlier. Ads receive a Torchic. Prof Birch, while you're at it, why not give it a nickname but Torchic? What should we name it? I wanted to theme it like Jojo. If Torchic, let's think about the final evolution. Blaziken. I think Blaziken is more of a Jotaro. And I'm touching my face, I shouldn't. What should be the name? We're gonna waste 20 minutes just thinking about what I'm gonna name my goddamn Torchic. Look, the choices are Jono. It's not gonna be Jono. Jono is gonna be. Oh yes, I'm gonna cheat. I'll specify why and how, but I'm gonna do some things which are bad, like you shouldn't do in any game whatsoever, but I don't care because I want to make the game fun for me. I'm gonna get the free starters, and there's nothing you can do about it, is there? But I just want to get the free starters, okay? Because I love them all, the three of them. I like Torchic best, but I like them all, so I just want to get the three of them. And let me check if the volume, my mic should still be higher than my But the in-game music, I'm still gonna lower the in-game music because you don't need any in-game music. So you want me to name Tochik Muda? But Tochik is not useless. Muda means useless. A lot of people don't get that. That's also my IG bio, but Muda is useless. What should I name it? I'm still thinking about what name I'm gonna give my starter now. Not Muda. Josuke, Josuke Jono. No, Tochik. No, no, Dio is for Salamence. Tochik is gonna be Dio. Don't care. Tochik is gonna be Dio. Prof Birch, if you work at Pokemon, and gain experience, I think you'll make an extremely good trainer. Oh, Birch, you're gonna. Birch. My kid May is also studying Pokemon while helping me out. Don't you think it might be a good idea to go see May? I guess. Prof Birch, great. May should be happy too. I'm gonna stop reading the names. Get May to teach you what it means to be a trainer. It's the worst part. I know it's not. They actually made in this game the tutorial to how to catch Pokemon. They made it a bit better than the rest. The others is just like someone bringing in the tool course and then you just learn how to catch Pokemon. Like, who doesn't know how to do that? But it's better that I get at least one more level before fighting this. I forgot, yes, the cheat. So yeah, but I don't have Pokeballs yet. I'm sorry, my sweet prince. But you shit, I forgot. But already, chat. I want you to think about the names for Mudkeep and Trico. What I'm gonna name them. So you have a bit of time to send that in the chat. Think about whatever. I wanted the three of them to have JoJo related names, so just think about that. Trico and Tochik, what are the names gonna be? You have like 5 minutes until I beat May. I hope I beat May. That would be embarrassing if I lost to May in front of you all now. So what was I gonna say? I forgot, but it doesn't matter, does it? Let me see. Okay, this should be good with an NVIDIA processor, but oh my god. What was I saying? So anyway, I was mainly thinking about. Also, chat, tell me if the sound is better now. I still have to adjust it. If you talk to this lady, you're gonna get a potion. Can I get you to come with me? Yes, and this is the Pokémon. Pokémon is always blue, while the Pokémon Center is always red. Remember that, kids? This is a Pokémon mod. Just look for our blue roof. We sell a variety of goods, including Pokéballs for catching Pokémon. Yeah, I'd like you to have this as promotional item. Obtain the potion. Yes, that's the thing. You can't buy Pokéballs until you actually go and defeat May, and she just goes like, yeah, that's 5 Pokéballs. Do what you want with it. Wait, maybe I should check my bag. Potion. Yep, nope. Yeah, Pokéball should be here and nothing. Let me save in case anything happens. Chat, I'm counting on you. I need names for the two of the starters. Mudkeep and Trico. JoJo based, JoJo themed, JoJo inspired names. I hope I don't encounter anything that will lower my health before. Yes, good. I'm sure that's a wing girl. Oh no, I'm dumb because this cheat is still on. Go Dio. It's actually better to have my Torchic named Dio, because you can learn Fire Punch or Blaze Punch. I don't remember. I know there's Blaze Kick. I don't know if there's Blaze Punch, and that will be our Muda. May. Let's see. The Pokemon found on Route 103 include. I forgot that I should stop just saying the name. Oh, hi, ads. Oh, I see my dad gave you Pokemon as a gift. That sounds a bit condescending. Since we're here, let's have a quick battle. I'll give you a taste of what being a trainer is like. You're like 10. Why do you have to be so intense? Pokemon Trainer May would like to battle. Pokemon Trainer Mason are Mudkip. Do you like Mudkips? Mudkip is the best starter for this game. It's got the best affinity with most gyms. Okay, Trico will be Course. Smart. Because actually his course I think was the like fastest, like there was something about him being the fastest, and Trico is, after Rayquaza, the fastest Pokemon in this game. I have way too much Pokemon knowledge. Okay, good for Trico's name, but now I need one for Dio, not Dio, Mudkip too. Good, first battle done. Dio got 69 experience points. Nice. And leveled up to level 7. Max HP, my target, I mean stats are alright. Focus energy. Fun fact, when I was younger, I would never keep any moves like Focus Energy, even Leah, Growl or stuff like that. Not even Charge. I was just like, you'll have 4 moves. 4 moves. You'll have 4 moves, and 4 of them are going to be attack moves. I think I know why my dad has an eye out for you now. I mean, you just got a Pokemon, but it already likes you. I mean, yeah, likable. You might be able to befriend any kind of Pokemon easily. Well, it's time to head back to the lab. Now let's go. Whoop. Whoop. I love the sound. So trick was gonna be cause I'm still waiting for Thingybob, sorry, Mudkip's name, sorry. I have 0 concentration, so I might just get lost in my own thoughts. I'm sorry. So guys, just so you know, the performance of this emulator is running pretty bad at the moment because I forgot to actually set up my NVIDIA card to open with it. So as from next it should be fine, but that's still kind of funny that this game came out in 2004 and it's not running that optimized. There's already save files to get override. Yeah. Add save a game. Let's go. Yo. Add over here. Let's hurry home. Let's go. I still need to get the running shoes because I'm super slow. 10. Little Root is so peaceful. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Prof Birch. Oh, hi, ads. I'm still saying the names. I heard you beat May on your first try. That's excellent. Well, did she tell you that with an attitude? Or I heard you beat May on her first try. That's yeah. May's been helping with my research for a long time. May has been an extensive as a trainer already. Really? With that level 5 Mudkip? Yeah, ads, I ordered this for my research, but I think you should have this Pokédex. You know, it's because this rival won't be doing much, so I'm trying to hype it up. A Pokédex is a high-tech tool that automatically makes a record of any Pokémon you meet or catch. My kid May goes everywhere with it. Whenever my kid catches a rare Pokémon and records its data in the Pokédex, May looks for me while I'm out, doing field work and shows me. Oh, that's so nice of her. Oh wow, ads, you got a Pokédex too. That's great, just like me. He just gave that to me in front of you. I've got something for you too. Obtain the Pokéballs. As put all the Pokéballs in Pokéball's pocket. It's funny if you can get a lot of Pokémon. I'm going to look all over the place because I want different Pokémon. If I find any cute Pokémon, I'll catch them with my Pokéballs. That's great. I don't think I've got more to talk about with them. Now I'm gonna get the running shoes, and instead of, you know what everybody does, they just go straight away and then your mom has to catch up with you. I'm gonna go and speak to that nice lady and actually say goodbye. And like all these kids who just run the fuck off. Mom, ads. Did you introduce yourself to Prof. Birch? Oh, what an adorable Pokemon. You got it from Prof. Birch. How nice. No, English. Do you speak it, motherfucker? How nice. You're your father's child, alright? You look good together with Pokemon. Yeah, honey, if you're going out on an adventure, we have these running shoes. We'll put a zip in your step. Add switch shoes with the running shoes. Ads, those shoes came with instructions. I forgot about that. Press the B button when wearing these running shoes with extra force. I'm not gonna name Mudkip Aqua. That's a bit on the nose. Slip on these running shoes and race in the great outdoors. To think that you have your very own Pokemon now, your father will be overjoyed. But please be careful, if anything happens, you can come home. Go on, get them money. Go get them, tiger. Aqua Necklace, Juju Water Stand. Aqua Necklace, I guess I haven't read until that one. Aqua Necklace. Necklace. Why did I hear that? I don't know. Now I'm gonna get my Trico. The game is already running better, but still, it's gonna run even better when I turn it back on. So now we're gonna get the Trico. So do you have tips about like getting Pokemon without them? You know, like well, some people want you to like keep pushing the B button and stuff like that. I mean, does that work? I really don't think so. But please, you are my cause. I need you now. For one, you know that I'm not gonna name one of the Pokemon like Joseph. What's the point of naming Pokemon Joseph? Joseph Joestar. And don't tell me I'm gonna waste all my Pokeball on a level 3 Trico. Okay, I'm gonna push B actually. I'm gonna... Should I be mashing B? I think it's not weak enough. I'm gonna buy more Pokeball and try to get one Trico in at like level 5. F's in the chat. I'm dead. Yari yari dal. I'm gonna get I can get 11, no I can get 16, I'm gonna get 10 so I can get a Premier Ball as a gift. I have a Premier Ball too. Nope, I don't anymore. Is there anything else I can help you with? Nope. That's the thing with these games, I keep on mashing these buttons. I shouldn't, clearly shouldn't. So I think I'm gonna play until we meet Wally. I'm sorry, I should play as if I don't know what's gonna happen next, because maybe you didn't play this one Pokemon game. So I'm gonna shut the fuck up and act as if I have no clue what's happening right now. Thank you for waiting, we restored your Pokemon to full health. We hope to see you again. And people say that's a bad thing to say, we hope to see you again from like a medic, but actually I think it just means that if you get hurt, come to us. That's all it means. I don't know why you always get she has to get the wrong way of a stick. Okay, another Trico level 3 and that's a girl. It's gonna be a female cause. Doesn't matter really. Ooh, perfect, a critical hit. You're bad at pounding, Trico. I'm mashing B, it's my only Premier Ball. Don't do that to me. Great. Trico's data was added to the Pokédex. Give a nickname to the captured Trico. Yes, we will. And we'll name it Player. I don't know if that's your name, Player, but I'm gonna use your advice and name it Chaos. No, Strizu, no. Not something I remember much. I mean, of course, everybody remembers Strizu, but like, it's not like impactful. Look, we already got Dio, and one thing I should disable the Trico cheat. Please don't look at the screen right now. These are cheats. I'm gonna disable the Trico cheat. I think that's the one. Okay, and then we're gonna try and get Mudkips. What are we gonna name Mudkip? Try to think. We already got from JoJo 1 and 2. Let's think 3 and up. I deactivated the wrong cheat. Dumbass. Okay. Go Dio. No, I'm not gonna kill that poor Pokemon for no reason. Da, da, da. Wamu? Should it be Wamu? No! Again, Wamu is not that important. No, he is. Wamu is very... I think Wamu is my favorite of Peterman. ACDC is just a dick. Like, without a real reason, he's just a dick. Because he can. No, don't close back. So, the Mudkip will be... Oh no, he broke free! I didn't mash B. My bad. What am I gonna name it? Josuke? No. Dio, Cos, and... Oh my god. So far we only have bad guys' names. But actually, bad guys' names... Kira. This is gonna be Kira. Yep. But God of War would have been Kira. Not Polnareff. Jean-Paul Polnareff. I love it when they say his name in the show. Jean-Paul Polnareff. Oh my... You're level 3 Mudkip. Can you stop? I'm not gonna waste all my Pokeballs on you. Jotaro, Kakyoin, no, can't be Kakyoin, can't be Mohamed Abdul either. Can it be Kira? Oh my god, I forgot the name of the boss in season 5. And I'm touching my face. I'm gonna die. And definitely, definitely gonna die someday. All of us will, but just not now, because you're staying home, confined. Oh my god! My attack should be like 1 right now. No, I can't. Mudkip, I need you, Mudkip. I need the 3 of you, and with the 3 of you, the game is done. Doppio and... What's the name of the boss in Golden Wind? Oh my god, how can I forget about that? Diavolo. No, I can't give it Diavolo either. Can't name it Star Platinum either. Yeah, it's Diavolo. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna waste all my Pokeball on a Mudkip. Level 3 Mudkip. Okay, I'm gonna mash B. Yes, I'm using a PS4 controller to play a Game Boy Advance. Yes, it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Ah, the name. What's it gonna be? Can't be Diavolo. Can't be King Crimson. Doppio Stan's name was Epitaph, but it doesn't fit. Oh my god. Are you gonna be Jotaro, Mudkip? Mudkip is gonna be... I spent most of my time during this live stream looking for names for these Pokemon. Mudkip is gonna be... I'm really thinking. I'm really thinking right now. Jotaro Dio. Can't be Kira. Can't be Kakyoin. Because Kakyoin, like, it doesn't fit. Are gonna be Diavolo or Kira? There isn't enough. There. Oh yeah, I forgot you can't read. Dia. Oh yeah, you can write it. There's plenty. Diavolo then. There it is. Here's the team. I'm gonna delete the cheat now, because I'm not a cheater. Never would have me even remove them. I never cheat. I mean, people I've been with could have. Wow, when I enter a building, that's when the dip hits hard. It's like 3 FPS. Thank you for waiting. We restored your Pokemon to full health. My team is here. Hope to see you again. But they're a bit weak. Maybe I should just like train them a bit in the tall grass. Although there is, I think that's the first, not random, but you know, not important battle. Is that Timmy? If you have Pokemon with you, then you're an official Pokemon trainer. You can't say no to my challenge. That was always weird, like, somebody can just like, yes, you're right, I just stole this Pokemon. Youngster Calvin, that's Calvin. Timmy, I think, is in Generation 1? Oh, I forgot. Youngster Calvin would like to battle. Youngster Calvin said, ah, Puchiena. Also, I'm gonna try and catch every Pokemon that you can catch without trying to cheat for viewers. Oh, it kind of sucks. Oh, I'm touching my face. I'm even touching my eye. I'm dead. Because I won't be able to get Alakazam if I don't cheat. That kind of sucks. Yeah, Calvin. Growl. And you're dead. 58 XP. Dio grew to level 8. I should have trained more. Yes, you should. Give me the money now, little bitch. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try and train Diavolo first. Only one guy watching, lol. And you're the one guy. It's fine. I'm doing that so at least I know one person is not out there getting the disease. It's my first time live streaming like something. It's so weird doing that. Also, the videos are gonna stay up on the channel afterwards, so if you just want to see me waste an hour a day finding names for Pokemon, suit yourself. Ah, my attack missed. What did he use? String shot, right? I think string shot makes you miss way more often. Tackle is still like 100 moves. So. While Wumple fainted, Diavolo gained 23 XP. Oh my god, it's just that? He didn't even like level up. I'm gonna try and not use EXP share. Oh my god, Lotad. Might be too much for us, guys. Ooh, that's good damage. Critical. Lotad losing, making me waste my time, as usual. Why am I so focused on that Lotad? I'm literally focusing to beat a Lotad. Yes, Diavolo grew to level 4. I think at level 8 he'll get a water type move, so that's all I need so we can start rolling. a loot at level 3 now. Be able to beat that easily. Nope, since it's gonna spam growl and my attack's gonna be pretty bad. At some point I'm gonna hit with 1 damage. Yeah, I'm already hitting with 1 damage. Might as well switch. Oh, and I'm gonna even miss. Fucking annoying, my eyes itch. But, oh my god. That's his first attack. I got half of what I had left as health. Yep. We are having Dio finish this off. That's the thing with Pokemon. I think that we could have world peace if everybody went back to when they first played Pokemon. I'm even remembering like remember when Pokemon Go just came out? That was the closest we got to world peace. I'm not kidding. That was the closest we got to world peace. Everybody was so happy. Everybody was just like living the best life going out there. Of course, you would have the people who were like, "What? You're playing Pokemon? You..." Well, that's their problem. I don't get it why people can't let others just have fun as if that's disrupting their lives, but just like me speaking English and everybody being butthurt, because I don't know what the reason is, but I'm pretty grateful that it does. I'm glad when I piss off people. But yeah, if we could all go back to the first time we played Pokemon, we would be on the moon and closer to understanding each other, because Pokemon, well, at least out of the start, it was the purest thing on earth. No kidding, it was the purest thing on earth. You played that as a kid, you never forget that you played that, because it just stays with you. Pokemon is just... I guess the best video game series ever made would be Pokemon. Yep, high key. That's a lot of XP for Wurmple. Okay, Diavolo, time to level up, I guess. Stop touching your face! Oh my god, I'm dead. Look, I'm giving the right example. I'm telling you to not leave your house. Now, if I could stop putting my hands all over my face, my man. So string shot, if I recall right, makes you slower. Yes, makes you slower. So Wurmple will have... Okay, we'll have a first hit after... Ah, it's fine then. Now you outspeed me. Great. Diavolo's speed fell. Doesn't matter. Kim Crimson skips time. Nobody knows how. No, actually Kim Crimson is very simple. It's a very simple ability. Just that it was poorly explained, I guess, in the show. Good. I beat Bug Trapper, whatever his name is. Dun 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 dun. Poochyena, should I? If I don't crit it on the first hit, wow, balls, I'm gonna catch it. Hey! Hopefully I don't waste my 2 Pokeballs left. Yes. As a thing, for this one, well, for the next live streams, if I do more live streams, I'm gonna let you choose the name of all my Pokemon. So if you wanna, just look at the list of Pokemon you can find in Emerald, and then you send the names in the chat before I even catch them. And when I catch them, I'm just gonna give the name, because like there's a kind of like lag between the chat and the stream. For like, it's very, I think it's like 2 seconds. Oh, no, a bit more than 2 seconds. I think around 10, but that's fine. But for this Puchiena, I'm gonna name it Lucky, because my dog is named Lucky, and she's quite similar to Puchiena. She looks like Puchiena when it's Puchiena, but she acts like my hyena. She's terrible. I love her. She's terrible. She's terrible. Did you just become a trainer? Fight me. Well, was it what they said? Like, chill, youngster Allen. Yeah, I'm gonna scratch you for death, bitch. Good, he didn't use growl, so it won't take 2 hours to beat it. Other thing, when you get like what I did that just to, oh my god, a Tailo. We'll risk it. When you get like one main Pokemon that is your starter, it'll start most battles. Oh my god, how can I miss that? And now my attack's gonna be low. Or was it low? My god, stop. Just level 3. And I'm missing. Diavolo's attack fell. Diavolo, please connect. Oof. No? Okay. Diavolo, connect. Diavolo? That was pretty gangsta of you. I called you because I thought I could beat you. Ha ha. You should only fight people you think you can't beat. Bear that in mind always, because else, what's the point? Oh yeah, Bleach is returning in 2021. I'm mad about Bleach. I definitely like it better than One Piece. To me, One Piece is trash. But, just like fan service One Piece. Like, I remember when I was, so just so you know, it wasn't illegal. When I was like 12 and Bleach was still a thing, and then I knew that like Nami was like 15, but drawn like that. I'm not gonna act as if I was, yeah, I'm a fucking simp. I am a fucking simp, because I'm gonna say that it's so disrespectful to her body. I'm a fucking simp, ain't I? Fucking simp. But I remember Bleach did that too with redhead girl. I don't know. Anyway, Rukia is big. I don't even remember the other one, but I know Rukia was big. But I don't really care about Bleach, because like they lost their way. That was the issue with it. Every 2 weeks, yes, your sad at One Piece is trash. Every 2 weeks, what's his name? Ichigo would get a new power, a new level up or anything. Every 2 weeks, like, come on. Oh my god, no, I can't fight Shroomish. I can't fight and absorb. I can't fight and absorb. Nope. We're not doing that. I just did it for the XP. Please, don't kill me. That's fine. Oh my god, I forgot. FX4, paralyzed Dio. Dio has been paralyzed. I think that happened in the anime too. No, he's even gonna be faster than me. Great. Crit, bitch! Diavolo grew to level 7. When are you gonna learn a water type move, Diavolo? I've got 64 Pokédollars. So down there I think there's... Yes. I was looking for that Pokéball, but I just found a Wurmple. It's fine. Am I gonna try and get a Wurmple? Yeah, if it outlives that one hit. I think the Scratch is gonna kill it pretty bad. Oh! have one Pokeball. Yeah, Ichigo is also a Quincy. That's it. I remember that part, and that was my issue with that. Every week, Ichigo, we get a power boost or anything, but Ichigo would become so much better every week. By the way, I have to catch 2 Wampers if I want to complete my Pokédex, because there's one male and one female. The male one will go into, forgot the name, but it grows into a male version of a butterfly. It grows into a moth, not a male version. It's a moth, and the other one becomes a butterfly. Yes. Okay, that's just more XP for Dio, which is gonna level up with this skill. Oh my god, don't tell me Dio is gonna die. No, it's Dio. It's top time then. My god, I'm such a weeb. Okay, Ember. Yes. So yeah, I'm not finishing my thought, right? Yeah, I don't care about Bleach. I don't. For me, it was only Naruto. I think because it was the only one which was consistent. Well, I can't say that because there was One Piece, but One Piece had the issues that I find with it. Oh, I forgot to name Wemple. Oh, we're gonna find the nickname editor afterwards and do that. Now we're gonna see my dad. Welcome to Petalburg. Here is Norman, Dad. Well, if it isn't ads, so you're all finished moving in. I'm surprised that you managed to get here by yourself. You didn't help us at all moving in, Dad. What the hell? Oh, I see you with your Pokemon. Then I guess you're going to become a trainer like me, Ads. That's great news. I'll be looking forward to it. I'd like to get a Pokemon, please. Dad, you're, oh, right, you're Wally, right? Wally, I'm going to stay with my relatives in Verdan Turf Town. I thought I would be lonely by myself, so I wanted to take a Pokemon along, but I've never caught a Pokemon before. I don't know how. Dad, I see. Ads, you heard that right? Go with Wally and make sure that he safely catches a Pokemon. That's what I meant earlier. Wally, here, I'll loan you my Pokemon. Wally receive a Zigzagoon. Wally, oh wow, a Pokemon. I'll give you a Pokeball too. Go for it. Wally receive a Pokeball. Oh wow, thank you. Ads, would you really come with me? Babysitting is the worst. But that's what I was meaning earlier. It had a different approach to learning how to catch Pokemon. Like, I already gave you 5 Pokeballs and assume you could do it. And then it's like, go on and teach this kid how to do it. Ads, Pokemon hide in the tall grass like this, don't they? Please, watch me see if I can catch. Watch me and see if I can catch one properly. Catch one properly. Is there a way to catch one like... I forgot. Yes, you fight for a Ralts for your whole life. He gets one on his first encounter. Okay, Zigzagoon, go on. Tackle it twice. Also, the Ralts doesn't use teleport as soon as it sees Zigzagoon. Very lucky, that kid. But that's fine, because I think Ralts got like 2 moves, teleport and growl. Abra. It's Abra, I guess, right? Abra. I'm not gonna call it Abra. Abra will use teleport as soon as it gets the occasion. So if your move is to send a Pokeball directly, unless you can like have an electric type and use Thunder Wave, maybe that is the best option, or Hypnosis. But Abra, as soon as it gets the time, if your Pokeball misses, it's gonna freaking teleport. And then you're gonna have to go back and forth again. And I think it's in a cave where you get Geodudes by the plenty. Gotcha. Ralts was caught. I did it. It's my Pokemon. Thank you. Let's go back to the gym. So, did it work out? Thank you. Yes, it did. Here's your Pokemon back. Thanks for you coming along. It's your why I was able to catch my Pokemon. I promise I'll take really good care of it. Oh, my mom's waiting for me, so I have to go. Bye, Ads. Mama's boy. Now, Ads, if you want to become a strong trainer, here's my advice. Head for Rustboro City, beyond this town. There, you should challenge the gym leader, Roxanne. After her, go on to all the Pokemon gyms gyms and defeat their leaders, collect badges from them. Understood? Of course, I'm a gym leader too. The battle one day adds. It's going to be a great battle, but that's only after you become stronger. So, this is the real start of my Pokemon journey, I guess. And I'm just gonna wait here a bit. And I'm gonna end the episode here. I know, yes, that's the first one. So for me it was, I'm gonna take whatever, okay? So, let me know if you liked it. It's gonna stay on the channel, so afterwards you can just check it out if you want to. I think maybe you'll find some pieces funny, maybe just for nostalgia's sake. It's just for us to have something to do. I was thinking about that. We have to stay indoors right now. We really have to. I hate it because I want to buy so much food right now. I am so hungry. I mean, I'm not hungry like that. I shut up, Adaya. You have a chance of not being in a situation where, you know the drill. I'm not complaining about that first world problems. I'm saying there's stuff that I like to buy. I really sound like a dick, no lie. But that's fine. So we have to stay inside. We definitely do. And I'm gonna save meanwhile. It's pointless to waste time on that. And I was thinking about it, and my sister started playing that again because I don't know what. Oh yeah, after the Pokemon movie, the remake of the first Pokemon movie came out. I watched that. My sister watched that. And after that, the nostalgia. It's not as good as the first Pokemon, the original one rather. But it was, it's just that you just feel like nostalgia. You're just like, Pokemon was good, man. It was really good. It's a good thing to grow up with. If you're having kids right now, like you, but I think every child on earth grew up with Pokemon. So I was just thinking the nostalgia was coming back, and I was just like, hey, I want to play that again. And I was like, might as well. Maybe it'll keep you occupied, because we all have to find entertainment in this time of sit at home. So let me know if you liked it. And I'm not gonna do the whole subscribe and like, because the remake was alright. It wasn't trash. Don't say that. It was alright. It wasn't particularly It was alright, but just for the sake of rewatching that and just being like, damn. Well, I don't know how old you are, but was I born when the movie? I think so. I think it was 99 or 2000. So I was born. So I guess I saw it. Might not have seen it straight away. Should have seen it when I was 6 or 7. But I did see it. And you think about that, I saw that like 20 years ago. I'm old to start with, and I grew up with that. I only kind of stopped playing Pokemon when I was like 15, because then I think Platinum was my loss, if I recall right. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm just going on a tangent again and again, and stay safe, stay home, everybody chill, and what, Adria? What do you want to say? I don't know. If you want more of this, just let me know, and we could do that again tomorrow at around the same time. Yeah, I can take that off now, right? Could do that again tomorrow at the same time, but dude, you know my age, and just let me know if you want more of this, and I'll see you. Good question. When am I gonna see you? Depends on when you want to see me, I guess. Till then, was me. Yo. Yeah, you have to choose to end stream, so that's kind of lame. Now I feel like I didn't properly end the stream. Yo.